Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing an easy tutorial on how to apply box braids for beginners. I made my parts so that the new braid would land between the parts of the braids below them. That way the braids end up looking more full and they don't look like you have a bunch of empty space between your braids. Once I straightened out my part, I just added edge control to my roots and I worked it down the shaft of my hair to smooth my hair out. That way the braiding hair will blend better with my hair. I had already feathered out the braiding hair before I started, so here I'm just pulling the end so that any loose strands can come out. That way they don't get tangled while I'm braiding. To start my braid, I loop the braiding hair over my fingers and I use my fingers to grab onto the roots of my natural hair. And then I will loop the braiding hair so that my hair is between the two sides of the loop. Once I have the loop, I'll twist it over to secure the braiding hair. And then I just start to braid. Once I braided a few times, I'll take about a quarter from each side of the loop and attach it to my natural hair in the middle. And then I'll just continue to braid and I'll add edge control as needed while I continue down the braid. As I get towards the ends of my hair, I'll add more edge control and comb it with a fine-tooth comb to make sure that it blends nicely. I like to use this braiding method because if you can do a regular plait type braid, you'll be able to do this. So again, I'm adding edge control to my roots and the shaft of my hair. Looping the braiding hair over my fingers and using my fingers to grab onto my natural hair. And then looping my natural hair through the braiding hair. I twist the braiding hair over and start braiding. And then once I've braided down a few times, I'll take a quarter piece of each side and attach it to the middle where my natural hair is. To seal my ends, I just had my husband help me with a pot of water, and I just went ahead and dipped the braids into the hot water and swooped them around so I can get all the ends, and then dry them off with a towel. I wanted to even out my ends a little bit, so after I dipped them, I just went ahead and trimmed off the ends in like an angled type of motion. And these were my results once I was done.